Welcome, dear students, for one more session in 18ME 33 Basic Thermodynamics. We have dealt two problems in previous class. We are continuing our discussion further and we'll take up few more problems in today's session. A temperature T on a Celsius scale is determined in terms of property P by relation P is equal to e to the power T minus B by A. This term, that is T minus B by A, is e to the power, where A and B are constants. Experiments give the value of P of 1.86 and 6.81 at ice and steam point respectively. Obtain relationship for T and also find the temperature T for the reading of P is equal to 2.5. So this is what is the problem given to us. So let us write the governing equation and then we will continue our discussion further. So given P is equal to e to the power T minus B by A. This T minus B by A is e to the power. Please remember, it is not e to the power T minus B whole by A. It is not so. So, and he has given us the value of P. That is, we need to find out the value of T when P is equal to 2.5. So, when P is equal to 2.5, what is the value of T? This is what we need to determine from the problem. So, let us continue and write the terms. So, again, the value of P at ice point and steam point are given to us. So, at ice point P is equal to 1.86 when T is equal to 0. Similarly, at steam point P is equal to 6.81 when T is equal to 100. These things we need to remember. So taking these two values, let us put this in the governing equation. That is the governing equation which is given by P is equal to e to the power T minus B by A. So in that equation, let us substitute these values. So let us take first at ice point. So at ice point, when T is equal to 0, P is 1.86. So this value I am substituting in the governing equation. That is, so P will be equal to 1.86 e to the power 0 minus B by A. So what do I get? 1.86 will be equal to e to the power minus B by A. So if I take log on both the sides, that is, if I take log, what do I get? I will get log of 1.86. Log of 1.86 will be equal to minus B by A. That is, I will get the value as 0.269A plus B is equal to 0. So I'll write this as equation 2. I'll repeat. So when I take this log, so e to the power log will get cancelled. What is e to the power log? So log of 1.86 will be equal to minus B by A. So that is A into log of 1.86 plus B is equal to 0. So the value of log of 1.86 is 0.269. So 0.269A plus B is equal to 0. Now at steam point. So we had taken initially at ice point. Now we will take at steam point. So at steam point, T is equal to 100 degrees centigrade and the value of P is how much? It is 6.81. So P is 6.81. Let us substitute that value. So when I substitute the value in the governing equation, I will get 6.81 will be equal to e to the power 100 minus b by 100 minus b, close the bracket, divided by e. So again, if I take log, so log of 6.81 will be equal to 100 minus b by e. So a log, again a log 6.81 will be equal to 100 minus b. The value of log of 6.81 is 0.833 a will be equal to 100 minus b, or I can write this equation as 0.833 a plus b is equal to 100. This is my equation 3. So I got equation 2 as 0.269 a plus b is equal to 0, and equation 3 as 0.833 a plus b is equal to 100. So I'll write that equation 2 now. So equation 2 is 0.269 a plus b is equal to 0. This was the equation 2 which I had got. So I will subtract these two equations now. So b will get cancelled. So we'll get it as, I will get the value that is 0.564 a will be minus 100 will be equal to 100. That is, a will be equal to 100 divided by 0.564. That is, a will be equal to 177.25. This is the value of a which I am going to get. I'll get the value of a as 177.25. And from equation 2, that is the equation 2 what I have written here, 0.269 a plus b is equal to 0. So from this equation I can substitute the value of a excuse me, and find out the value of b, that is 0.269 into 177.25 plus b is equal to 0. So solve this equation, we will get the answer as minus 47.68. I repeat, I will get the answer as minus 47.68. So I have got the value of a and b. Now let me find out the value of t, which I have to determine from the problem. That is, I need to find out the value of p when I need to find out the value of t when p is 2.5. So let me take the equation and find out the value of t. So we have the equation that is p is equal to e to the power t minus b by a. So I will take the log on both the sides. Log p is equal to t minus b by a. This is what I get. So that is a log p will be equal to t minus b, or t will be equal to a log p plus b, or b plus a log p, whichever way you want you can write the answer. So when p is equal to 2.5, so when the value of p is 2.5, t will be equal to, a value is 177.25, p value is 2.5, plus b value is minus 47.68. So b value is minus 47.68. So put these values, substitute in the equation, we will get the answer as 22.85 degree centigrade. 22.85 degree centigrade is the answer. So I'll repeat what all things I have done in the problem once again. So temperature scale is given by P is equal to e to the power T minus B by A. The values are given for P at ice point and steam point. That is, at ice point it is 1.86 and at steam point it is 6.81. So I'll take these two values, put these two values in the governing equation and get two simultaneous equations. The first equation what I get for ice point is 0.269A plus B is equal to 0, and the second equation what I get at steam point will be 0.833A plus B is equal to 100. This is the equation what I get. So I have two equations, two unknowns, A and B are two unknowns. So solve these two simultaneous equations. B will get cancelled first when I substitute the values. So I'll get the value of A. Then in the equation 2, I will substitute the value of A and find out the value of B. So once I get the value of A and B constants, then I can find out the value of T, that is by taking the governing equation, that is P is equal to e to the power T minus B by A. So I take log, so I get A log P will be equal to T minus B, that is T is equal to A log P plus B. So put the values of P, that is 2.5. So I'll get the value of T as 22.85 degree centigrade. So I got the value of A and B. I have substituted the value in that equation. So I'll get the value of T as 22.85 degree centigrade. Thank you.